Makiaria thutha wa gutiriha giikaro kia nduku ithatu guku Naivasha, amemba a ngwataniro ya urumwe wa aciari aria makoragwo na arutwo aria matongoretio ni muikariri gite waguo Nicholas Maiyo maugite ni maranyita mbaru mubango wa thirikari wa kuhingura cukuru mweri-ini wa Januari mwaka twerekeire, kuona ona aciari ni marikitie kumenya itemi riria makanyita hari guteithia thirikari kuhurana na gutamba kwa murimu wa COVID-19.
And we are very much aware that the calendar starting 4th January will be a second term for us.
Urumwe uyu no urenda thirikari icaire aciari marihi-ini ma thukuru kuona mawira ma aingi ni mahaguranirio ni murimu wa COVID-19.
We are very much affected by the COVID-19. Many of our parents lost jobs. They don't have any livelihood now. And we request the government to give us 2 months to clear the fees arrears.
Oho urumwe uyu ni uritie thirikari yongerere kigina kiria irahe thukuru cia muingi niguo ihote kuheana utungata mukinyaniru kuri arutwo.
And we saw it yesterday in the news, in the media. They were saying they are increasing fees. I don't think if they are in agreement to increase fees, are you? No. They are not. No. You are not in agreement.
Kuma mweri wa kenda mwaka uyu arutwo aria macokete thukuru ni aria a grade ya kana, a kirathi gia kana na orondo mwe na a form 4. Arutwo acia giothe matanyitwo gugacokereria mwaka twerekeire. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma Naivasha, kaunti-ini ya Nakuru, ritwa riakwa ni Festus Lango.